Hi, greetings. I'm Priyanka Joshi. I'm a life coach, a parenting coach, and I work with a lot of parents and students and children, helping parents in their parenting journey and helping children in their academic and educational journey. So, in my last 8 years as a life coach, as my practice, I have seen all kinds of issues cropping up in people. But I see anxiety really on the rise today. And that is why I thought of doing this special video on anxiety, very short but very crisp, and my take on anxiety and what is the essence of these mental health problems we see today. So I think I feel that we must really teach our children and on our own also, we must understand the value of contributing to others' lives. Because see, depression, anxiety, or any other kind of mental health problem can also be, I'm not saying only, but it can also be the result of our preoccupation with self. Because let's face it that we are living in a society which is very pressure performance pressure oriented. Today we want to be better than the other person. At any cost we want to be the best, even whether it is to do with looks, whether it is to do with how one dresses up, whether it is to do with what kind of vacations one goes for, how many international destinations one can go for vacations. So there's some kind of exclusivity that everyone wants, right? And that constant stress and pressure on us to always you know have better holidays, have our children performing better, something or the other, keeps our bodies and minds in stress, and that stress is also passed on to children because they also want to live up to that kind of pressure. So I think we must really teach our children the importance of also adding value to anyone else's life in a day, whether it can be bringing a smile on someone's face, whether it can be helping someone who's very old, in little big ways, or it can be in complimenting someone, it can be in you know helping a friend who's in need, going over and above and asking someone if they need your help. Those things and those qualities have become very rare today. So while this is a very important quality to have, there's one more reason based on science that when we contribute to someone, when we make someone else happy, our brain releases a chemical. Every action in our brain releases a chemical, but this act of contribution to someone else's life, selflessly, when we do it without arrogance, um, secretes a hormone called serotonin. ये हमारे दिमाग में एक हार्मोन रिलीज करता है जिसका नाम है सेरोटोनिन। और सेरोटोनिन एक ऐसी हार्मोन है जो कि एंटी डिप्रेसेंट्स में डाली जाती है, right? So imagine the amount of antidepressants we are releasing every day in our head by teaching our children a way of life of contributing to the other person. Because whether you look at classrooms, whether you look at offices, that spirit to come together and do something, or that spirit to do well but also help the other person do well, is not there anymore. People are looking for ways to find out how they can make fun of the other person who's not doing well. You know, so somewhere we have to curb that, because that small thing is becoming a big reason for people to get sucked into anxiety, depression, and these mental health problems. And I'm not saying that these are the only reasons, but they are contributing. Our lack of support to others and being exclusive, our desire to always be exclusive, whether it's getting dressed, whether it's having best insta posts, whether it's having best vacation, whatever way we can show our exclusivity. That's what everyone wants, right? But let's come back to also helping others rise and shape. And even in his book, Daniel Coleman in Emotional Intelligence writes about contribution. Because emotional ulti dikh rahi hai na book. I don't know how to make it look seedha, but that's okay. You guys get it, right? So, um, you know, when our children learn the spirit of contribution, they become very good leaders. And in my coming sessions, I'll talk about that more about that. So let's go back and really help our children become those outstanding leaders, and outstanding citizens of India. Thank you.